لقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Assalamu Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Tajweed Made Easy. This is your brother Abu Muhammad. In the last lesson we did the Surah Al Nas. Today inshaAllah we're going to look at Surah Al Falaq and how to recite it properly. So we have here Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The first word Qaf. The first letter is Qaf, then Lam. Qaf is from the heavy letters. We're going to pronounce the Qaf in a heavy way. So Qul, heavy way by putting pressure on the roof of the mouth. So Qul, and not Kul. If I say Kul, then I would have changed the base of the word. I would have taken one letter off, put another letter which is considered as Lahnul Jali, clear obvious mistake. So this is serious, and this is not just serious mistake, it changes the meaning. If I change the Qaf to a Kaf, and I say Kul, Qul means to say, Kul means to eat. So I would have made a mistake that changed the meaning. So here, Qu, not Ku, Qul, hold the lam, Qul, Qul, and not Qula, or Qul a'udhu, but Qul'a. Then we have Alif here. Alif is from the light letters, so we don't say A, no Qul'a, but Qul'a, Qul a'udhu. Then we have Ain here. We have, after the Ain, there's a Waw Sakina. We said when there's one of the three letters of Mad, Alif Sakina preceded by letters of Fatah, Waw Sakina preceded by letters of Dhamma, or Ya Sakina preceded by letters of Kasra. And we're not stopping that word, we're continuing. Then we're going to do two counts. So, a'u, we should open our lips forward when we pronounce the ayn with the dhamma. A'u, a'u, qul a'u, qul a'udhu. Dal, we shouldn't stretch the dal too long. No, so it's not qul a'udhu, not dhu, but qul a'udhu. Then we have bi rabbi. Ba is a light letter, Ra. Ra, we said, is from the part-time heavy, part-time light. Whenever Ra has a fatha, we're going to make it heavy. So we have a light letter, heavy letter, and a light letter. So bi Ra. So back lightly, bi, then Ra heavy, then ba light. Bi rabbil, hold the lam sakin. Whenever lam has a sukoon, hold it. Bi rabbil falaq. Qaf from the heavy letters. Now here we have here, because Qaf is at the end of the word, or end of the ayah here, we're going to stop there. What we're going to do is Qaf, because we're going to stop, we're going to change that into a sukoon. Whenever 5 letters they've got sukoon, Qaf with a sukoon, Ta with a sukoon, Ba, Jim and Dal, then these are the 5 letters that are called the Qalqalah letters. They make the knocking sound. So Qa with the sukoon will be, and we're stopping on it, will be Aqa. Ta will be Ata. Knocking, bouncing sound. Ata. Ba will be Aba, then Jim, Aja, Dal, Ada. So here, because we're stopping the Qaf, stopping means sukoon, so we're going to make an echo sound. So Falaq, not Falaq, but Falaq. And not Falaq. We're not going to emphasize on the Qaf, but on the Falaq. So Qul a'u, Qaf. قل أعوذ Ra heavy. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. Then we have min sharri. Whenever there's nun sakina preceded by letter, that's one of the ikhfa letters, one of the 15 letters and sheens from them. Then we're going to make ikhfa, which means to do in between idhar and idgham. What does that mean? To do in between idhar and idgham would mean Idhar will be min sharri, touching the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Min, we don't want that. And idgham will be mish sharri, idgham will be merging, so in between. So we're going to hide the noon by pronouncing it in between. What does that mean? We're going to get the tongue closer to where the sheen is, min, without touching. So it's not min sharri, min, no way back, min sharri, but min, just pronounce the ghunna, min, the nasalization, min, then let go, sharri. Min sharri ma khalaqa. After the min sharri, here Ra has a kasra. When Ra has a kasra, because we said Ra is from the heavy part-time light, when there's a kasra we make it light. So sharri, min sharri, and not sharri. We're not going to make it heavy. Min sharri ma, mim, after mim, there's an alif sakin preceded by letter as a fatha, so 2 counts mad tabi'i. Ma, not ma khalaq. Ma, min sharri ma khalaq. Then we have here heavy letter, light letter, heavy letter. So we have to be very careful. Kha, make it heavy. Lam light. Khala, la, not khala. Khala, khalaq, khalaq, qalqalah. Knocking sound, khalaq, because from the 5 letters we're stopping there. So min sharri, ra light, min sharri ma khalaq. Then we have here wa min sharri, same thing. Noon very close to where the sheen is. Okay, to the makhraj. Then let go. Wa min sharri, ra light, sharri ghasiqin, ghains from the heavy letters. We're going to pronounce heavily. And also we're going to stretch it. So غاسق. Not ومن شر غاسق غاسب غاسق. ومن شر غاسق إذا. Whenever there's a tanween, kasratan follows alif, we're going to make it clear. Ith'haar. What does this mean? It means touching the roof of the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. غاسق. غاسق. غاسق إذا. غاسق إذا. To count. إذا وقب. 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 Why? Because ba is from the qalqalah letters. The 5 letters, whenever they stop on the word or they have a sukoon, they'll make an echo sound. وقب. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. Then ومن شر, same thing. No, ومن شر. We're not going to pronounce the noon. ومن شر, but ومن شر. ومن شر النفاثات. When noon has a shadda, we're going to hold it the longest. Okay, أكمل غنة is called, the most complete. ومن شر. We want that nasalization sound. We're going to hold it a bit longer. ومن شر النفاثات. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. Dal is from the qalqalah. So في العقد. في العقد, because we're stopping on it. We're going to make an echo bouncing sound. في العقد. في العقد. ومن شر, ra light, شر النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر, same thing. حاسد. After ha there's an alif preceded by letter as a fatha. So stretch the ha. حاسد. حاسد. ومن شر حاسد إذا. إظهار here. حاسد إذا. حاسد. دين. حاسد إذا حسد. قلقلة. حسد. So I'm going to read the whole surah again. So قل, قاف with heaviness. قل أعوذ را heavy. برب الفلق. فلق. قلقلة. من. We're going to hide it by putting the tongue closer to where the sheen letter comes. Min, without touching. Min, not too way back. Min, but very close. Min sharri ma, to count. Ma khalaqa. Wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab. Qalqala. Wa min sharri, light, sharrin, hold it longer. Sharrin naffathati fil uqad. عقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. So بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. من شر ما خلق. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. One more time. قل أعوذ برب الفلق. من شر ما خلق. ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. ومن شر النفاثات في العقد. ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. So this is Surah Al Falaq. Inshallah, next lesson we're going to start Surah Al Ikhlas. We're going to find out how to recite it properly. Until then, Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.